my dear students. How are you all? I hope you are all fine and happy, isn't it? Okay. Now I will show the homework review. Just verify your answer. Okay. Question. Find the square root of the following numbers using repeated subtraction. Question number 1. 289. Okay. Now we can using repeated subtraction. Okay. 289 minus 1 equal to 288. Like this we can subtract 1 by 1 using odd numbers. Okay. Now 0 is obtained after subtraction is performed 17 times, isn't it? So we can write root of 289 equal to 17. Okay. Now next question 81. Now we can use repeated subtraction. 81 minus 1 is equal to 80. Then 80 minus 3 is equal to 77. Now we can subtract 1 by 1 using odd numbers. 0 is obtained after subtraction is performed 9 times. Thus root of 81 is equal to 9 is the answer. Okay. Now third question 169 minus 1. Now we can use repeated subtraction. Now 0 is obtained after subtraction is performed 13 times. Okay, 13 times. So root of 169 equal to 13. Let's start our maths class. Okay. Last class we are learned finding square root of a number through repeated subtraction, isn't it? Today we are going to study about finding square root by prime factorisation. Okay. Before that, we can do some problems using repeated subtraction. Okay. Exercise 3.4. What would be the possible digits at the ones place of the square root of the following numbers? Number 1. 1 crore 19 lakh 16,304. Now here listen. What is the ones digit? Ones digit is 4. Isn't it? Ones digit is 4. Now what is the square root of the numbers? Square root of these numbers. What's the value? What's the ones place? How can you identify? Now listen. 1 square is equal to 1. 2 square is equal to 4. 3 square is equal to 9. 4 square is equal to 16. 5 square 25. 6 square 36. 7 square 7 sevens are 49. 8 square 8 8s are 64. 9 square 81. Isn't it? Now listen, here ones digit is 4. Now ones digit 4 means what is the possible 2 square and 8 square. Here also ones place is 4. So we can write 2 and 2 square is equal to 4, isn't it? 2 square is equal to 4 and 8 square also 64. Ones digit is 4. So we can write 2 and 4 in the ones place, isn't it? 2 and 4 be the possible digits at the ones place. Okay. 2 and 4 be the possible digit. Possible digits at the ones place. Possible digits at the ones place. Clear? Okay. Now, second question. Second question. Here 1 crore 45 4 lakh 52,289. Now here listen. What is the first digit? Ones digit? Ones digit is 9. What's the possible way? Here 3 square means 9. Isn't it? 3 square. Then anywhere 7 square. Isn't it? So 3 square and 7 square. 3 square and 7. 3 and 7 be the possible digits at the ones place. So we can write 3 and 7, isn't it? 3 and 7 be the possible digits With the possible digits at the ones place. Okay, possible digits at the ones place. At the ones place. Okay. Clear? Okay. Now again one more question. Third one. Here 1 lakh 3041. Isn't it? 1 lakh 3041. What is the ones digit? Ones place is 1. Ones place is 1. What are the possibilities here? 1 square means 1. Then 9 square also 1. Isn't it? 9. Here ones place is 1. So we can take 9 and 1. Okay. So here we can write 1 and 9 be the 1 and 9 be the possible digits at the, isn't it? Be the possible digits at the ones place. Okay. Possible digits at the ones place. Okay. Possible digits at the ones place. Are you clear? Okay, next question. Find if 680 is a perfect square by continued subtraction. If not, find the smallest number which should be subtracted from 680 to give a perfect square. Also, find the square root of the square thus obtained. First, we want to find the 680 is a perfect square by continued subtraction. Now we can find the continued subtraction, repeated subtraction, isn't it? Already we learned last class, isn't it? Now 680 minus 1, first odd number is 1 equal to 679. Now minus 3, 676. Like this 1 by 1, or odd number 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, etc. Isn't it? Up to 26 times. And how many times? 26 times we got 4. We didn't get 0, isn't it? We didn't get 0. Then 4 minus 55 will not get 0. So this 4 should be subtracted from 680. Okay. That is not perfect square. This is not perfect square. So we want to find the smallest number which should be subtracted from 680. Now clear. This 4 should be subtracted from 680 means we will get 676. If we have 676 means here 55 minus 50. Here we will get 54. Isn't it? 51 will get. Minus 4 means 1. 51. 51 minus 51 is 0. So 676 is a perfect square. We should subtract it from 680. We should 4 should be subtracted from 680 means 676. So now 676 is a perfect square. Now this is perfect. So what is the square root of 676? What's the value? Here how many times? 26 times. So this answer is 26. If you subtract 4 from 676, the square root of 676 is 26. Because they are 26 times, we will get 0. So that answer is 26. Are you clear? Now find the square root of the square thus obtained. So root of 676 equal to 26. Okay. Next method, finding square root by prime factorization. Okay. Finding square root by prime factorization. Using prime factorization, find the square root of the following numbers. Using prime factorization, find the square root of the following numbers. First one, 22,500. Okay. Prime factorization is down method, isn't it? Now 22,500. Now is equal to 2 table, isn't it? 1, 2 is 2, 1, 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 balance, 5 2s are 10, then 0. Then again 2 table, 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12, 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10. Okay, then this is odd number, this is not a two table, isn't it? So we can find three table. 1 3 is 3, 2 balance 26, 8 3s are 24, again 2 balance 22, 7 3s are 21, 1 balance 15, 5 3s are 15. Then 3 table, 6 3s are 18, 2 3s are 6, 5 3s are 15. Now 2 3s are 6. This is not in 3 table. Then 5 table, 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10, 1 balance 12. Isn't it? 2 5s are 10, 5 5s are 25. Again 5 table, 2 5s are 10, 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. Okay, now we can write, we want to find the square root value, isn't it? Therefore, square root of 22,500 equal to, now what are the factors? We can write in root, okay? Root of 2 times 2, 2 into 2, 2 times 3, 3 into 3, then 3 times 5, 5 into 5. Again, one more time, isn't it? 4 times 5. Okay? Otherwise, we can do here 5, 1. Okay? Now, 2 in 1 take outside. 2 in 1 take outside. Here, equal to 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. Now, what's the answer? 3 2s are 6, 6 5s are 30, 30 into 5, 150. So, this answer is 150. Therefore, square root of 22,500 equal to 150. Okay. So, second question, 784. 784. 2 table, 3 2s are 6, 9 2s are 18, 2 2s are 4. Again, 2 table, 1 2 is 2, 1 balance 19, 9 2s are 18, 1 balance 12, 6 2s are 12. Then again 2 table, 9 2s are 18, 8 2s are 16. Then 2 table, 4 2s are 8, 9 2s are 18. Then 7 table, 7 7s are 49. Okay. Now we can write, therefore, square root of 784 equal to square root of, here 1, 2, 3, 4 times 2, isn't it? So we can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, then again 2 times 7. So 7 into 7. Okay. Now we can take outside, 2 in 1 take outside. Okay, 2 in 1 take outside. So we got 2 into 7. What's the answer? 2 2s are 4. 7 4s are 28. What's the square root? Square root of 784 is equal to 28. Okay. Third question, 11,025. 11,025. Now, this is 3 table. 3 3s are 9. Isn't it? 2 balance 20. 6 3s are 18. Again 2 balance 22. 7 3s are 21. 1 balance 15. 5 3s are 15. Then 3 table. 1 3 is 3. 2 3s are 6. Here 2 3s are 6. 5 3s are 15. Then this is not in 3 table, so we can take 5 table. 2 5s are 10. 4 5s are 20. 5 5s are 25. Now 4 5s are 20. 9 5s are 45. Then 7 table, 7 7s are 49. Then for 7 table, 1 7 is 7. Okay, now therefore square root of 11,025 is equal to, now we can write inside the square 3 2 times, 3 into 3, then 5 2 times, 5 into 5, again 7 2 times, 7 into 7. Okay, now we can take 2 in 1 outside, 2 in 1 outside. So 3 into 5 into 7. Okay. Now 3 5s are 15. 15 into 7. You can multiply 7 5s are 35. 3 balance. 1 into 7 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. So 105 is the answer. Okay. 105 is the answer. Okay. Now fourth question. 324. 324. This is 2 table. 1 2 is 2. 1 balance 12. 6 2s are 12. 2 2s are 4. Now again 2 table. 8 2s are 16. Then 1 2 is 2. Now 81 is not in 2 table. So we can take 3 table. 2 3s are 6. 2 balance 21. 7 3s are 21. Then 3 table. 9 3s are 27. Then 9 is in 3 table. So 3 3s are 9. Again 3 table 1. Okay. Now therefore square root of 324 equal to square root of. Now what are the factors? 2, 2 times, 3, 4 times, isn't it? So we can write 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. Now here we can take 2 in 1 outside. 2 in 1 outside. So we get equal to 2 into 3 into 3. Okay. Now what's the answer? 3 2s are 6. 6 3s are 18. Therefore, square root of 324 equal to 18. Okay. Now clear? Prime factorization method. Okay. Now fifth question. 11,664. 11,664. Now 2 table. 5 2s are 10. Then 8 2s are 16. 3 2s are 6. 2 2s are 4. Again 2 table. 2 2s are 4. 9 2s are 18. Then 1 2 is 2. 6 2s are 12. Then 2 table. 1 2 is 2. 4 2s are 8. 1 balance. 5 2s are 10. 16. 8 2s are 16. Then 2 table. 7 2s are 14. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 2 2s 9 2s are 18. Isn't it? 9 2s are 18. Now 3 table. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 4 3s are 12. 3 3s are 9. Now 3 table. 8 3s are 24. 1 3 is 3. Again 3 table. 2 3s are 6. 2 balance 21. 7 3s are 21. Isn't it? Now 3 table. 9 3s are 27. 3 3s are 9. Then 3 table 1. Okay. Now we can write therefore square root of 11,664 is equal to square root of how many times 2? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Isn't it? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Then how many times 3? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Isn't it? So we can write 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. Inside the square. Okay. Now we can take 2 in 1 outside. 2 in 1 outside. Okay. Now we get 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. Now what's the answer? 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 3s are 36. 36 into 3. Okay. 36 into 3. 6 3s are 18. 1 balance. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1. 10. 108. So square root of 11,664 is equal to 108 is the answer. Okay. Clear? Now today's homework book page number 42 exercise 4.2 question number 5 fourth question. Okay. Question number 5 fourth question prime factorization method. Only one question homework. Okay. We can meet next class. Thank you.